today our mission is to change this roof hatch in the shower. I broke, as you can see up there, there's no plastic catches. Clumsy me, broke it. We've been tying it down for a while and it is filthy and very hard to clean, so we're changing it for a different type as well. So let's go. As you can see, it's also been broken and we've been holding it, the blind up, with this contraption. So here we go. Oh, let's put that up there.
Okay, so when you actually pull this panel down, you'll see that the screws are around here. There's 9 screws actually. Take those screws out and this inner piece comes out, and then hopefully we can push the outer piece up, which is what we did with the last one. But if it's stuck well, we might have to put some wedges underneath it. Fingers crossed. So turn that to 45 degrees and it should just pull off, he says. There you go. We'll have to get rid of that as well, won't we? Oh no. Hopefully that can stay on, because that's for drying your towels, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
I won't record you doing all 9 screws.
No.
So screws are out and it just...
And the water is starting to leak in.
It's leaking as well as broken.
Yeah. There we go.
So it comes down. You can see the insulation in our roof.
So hopefully we'll just push up now and the thing should come off. Put these panels down. And there we go. Now the other one came through, didn't it? So does that mean it has to turn like that? That's the one. Yeehaw!
Look at that dirty boy. From all that sand in Spain.
You can see it was leaking there, look.
Yeah.
On there.
Oh, bye-bye you.
Goodbye.
So this is the new one, slightly different design as you can see. Hopefully it won't break and will be easier to clean. And a bit darker, so the light doesn't come through in the middle of the morning in the summer. Anyway, just got to clean out the outside of the van. Dave's going to go back up and then clean it all off whilst I tape it up from the inside so all the rubbish doesn't come through. So Dave has cleaned it all from the top now, and I can take the bag down and we can hopefully insert and Bob's your uncle. Yay! It fits.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Perfect. It does open that way, doesn't it? Yeah, of course it does.
Yeah, to the front.
Yeah.
So it's wide at the back, yeah? Open at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. More aerodynamic that way, isn't it?
Well, it is, but the other one tapers anyway.
Oh.
I'm gonna just come down, have a look at it.
Okay.
Make sure that the fitting kit fits.
Okay.
Look at that. There's a problem there, Houston.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look.
has that not gone down?
It's this trim here they haven't cut enough.
Oh.
Yeah? See it?
Yeah.
I mean,
It's supposed to do what then?
that will work there. But we need to cut that trim out there, look.
Just a little bit.
Or bend it down and put the clip in. Yeah, see there's a gap there, look. And that one.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, the clips basically fit like that. And the screw goes in there.
Ah,
and then you fit them all round, and then the trim panel just pushes in.
clever.
Okay. So the handle's there, isn't it? Yep.
Yep.
Well, I would have liked to have seen a bit more sealer seep out from the edges.
Oh.
But it was quite a long way inboard, wasn't it?
Mm.
Where it seals. We shall see.
And this is the finished article. The internal trim's pushed on. And that's the light. And the fly screen. It lifts up and down. It's been on for a while. It's still clean, easy to clean, and sealed. So we're all happy. Roof vent is now installed.